welcome back to YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be packing my bag for school, and I'm also going to be showing you guys a get ready with me video for the first day of school. I'm so excited for today's video, so any further ado, let's get started. But before we start, don't forget to like and click subscribe and turn on notifications. So any further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so before I actually start this video, I actually recommend you guys check out this video. I'll have the thumbnail right here in the picture. I actually showed you guys everything that I bought for this year's school supply, and I'm so excited about all of them. So I recommend you guys check this video out first, so then you guys get a hint of what I actually have, so you guys won't be kind of confused. Okay guys, so my school actually starts in 2 days. I'm so excited, but I'm super nervous as well. But I feel like I'm kind of ready for the school year already because I'm kind of missing my friends already. I also want to point out, you guys, that I actually have some new items that I didn't show you guys in the haul video. So some stuff will be new in today's video. So I feel like it will be more exciting then. Okay guys, so here is my backpack right here. I showed you guys in my last haul video, and now I'm just gonna start by filling up the supplies that I have on this table. Okay guys, so I have my backpack right here now, so I'm just gonna start by opening it, and I'm going to be starting to fill this backpack up with school supplies. Okay guys, so the first item that I'm going to be putting in my backpack are these paper folders. I actually didn't have them in my haul video because they're actually from last year, and I didn't actually use these colors last year. I used one of the colors, but I didn't use these, so I just had them sitting around, and I want to use them again this year because I'm pretty sure I'm going to be using these too this year. So I'm just going to put it in the back so it can just like hold the structure of everything. Same with this folder as well. This is actually my plastic folder, and I had it for like the longest time ever, probably like 4 years or something like that, or even longer, I'm pretty sure. I love this folder because actually if I get like a paper from like a teacher or something, and if I don't want it to get crumbled, I can actually put it all in here. And I also am so excited to use this again for this year because I love this folder so much, and also it wasn't in my last haul video. So I'm just going to put it in the back with the others. Next, I think it's a good idea to put my folder in. Actually, this was from my last haul video, but actually off camera, I actually decorated some of the school supplies that I wanted to. And for the folder, remember how I said in my last haul video I want to decorate my planner supplies with stickers that I actually bought, but I actually tried stickers for this one, but I think a nice blue bow suited it better, so I actually just glued it on the part where I just like click it open. So yeah, it's really cute. It looks like a cute little envelope now. Sorry guys if the lighting's kind of bad right now because like the sun's not coming in from the window, so it doesn't look too good, but it's fine. I'm gonna put the folder now in here. It's looking really good. I just want to make sure that I have enough space for my lunchbox because I still need to put that in here. Also guys, I also want to say thank you guys so much for watching my last video. I didn't actually expect it to do so well, so thank you guys so much for watching. Anyways, next item that I'm going to be putting in my backpack is really heavy, but it's my binder. I actually showed this in my last haul video as well, and it's just the white one, but I actually put like cute stickers on it. So I put this cute little kitty sticker, and I put some gold paw prints in the back, and I also on the side put some stickers, and it's just a bunch of different cats stacked on top of each other and more gold cat prints. And also I put some papers in here, and I also put the divider, so if I need to divide the papers, I'll just move them as I go. So I'm just going to put it in my backpack now. It's really heavy, so I'm hoping this wouldn't like make my backpack too heavy. Okay guys, next I think I'm gonna put in my notebooks. I actually had these from last year's haul, but I actually never used them, which is kind of a shame because these are really pretty. So I'm gonna pack these in because I think I'll use them this year. I was planning to decorate it with stickers, but I think I'm just gonna leave them plain for now. Okay, so I'm just gonna put them in here. Trying to like make sure that there's going to be enough room for the rest of my stuff. I think some of the small stuff that I have, I'm actually going to put it in my front pocket so I can have more room for the bigger stuff on the back. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be putting in some of my smaller notebooks. I actually got this from my last haul video. It's really cute. I'm just gonna carry this around. So I'm gonna put it in my front pocket, but I'm also going to be putting this cute little notebook. I actually didn't have this in my haul video, and it's just like a small notebook, so I'm just going to be putting it in my front pocket. Next, I think I'm going to put in my pencil crayons and my markers. I actually am using the same ones from last year because they actually work all fine, and I think the front pouch can't fit any more stuff because it's so full. I'm just going to zip it up now. There's only like 2 stuff that I need to put in here now, so we're almost done. Okay guys, so the next item is this. It's actually my pencil case from last year and from my haul last year. So I actually am using this as an emergency kit. Okay guys, so now let me show you guys what's in this bag. Okay guys, so when you open it, the first thing that is in here actually is some hand sanitizer, because y'all, sometimes the school can be crusty, and I didn't need to go buy and get like new hand sanitizer because we already had a ton of them at our house because of COVID before. So I just decorated it with a pink bow and a cute little pink teddy bear on the lid. I think I'm obsessed with these teddy bear stickers because once I found them, I keep using them on the stationaries because they're so cute. So that's that. And the second thing is I have some lip balm in here because the school air always makes my lips super dry. So I have some EOS lip balm. Really like the color too. Next, I also have some band-aids in here because I might get hurt, my friends might get hurt, so I have some band-aids in here just in case. Final item that I have in this pouch is my favorite. It's actually my brush. I actually got this from Miniso. I actually did a haul what like I bought from Miniso on my YouTube shorts, so go check that out. But I really love this brush, and it's really portable because it's really small. So now I'm just gonna put it in my backpack. I would put it in the front pouch, but it's full, so I'm just going to put it in the back. The last and final item that's going to be going into my backpack is my pencil case. This was actually my haul last video, and I love this pencil case so much. It's so cute. So I'm going to be showing you guys what's inside because off camera, like a few days ago, I actually filled this up with a lot of my school supplies. Okay guys, so I had to change my camera angle so you guys will be able to see what's in my pencil case. But when I open it, ta-da! It's so aesthetic. It's so pretty. So let me show you guys. So I filled up this space with all my colorful highlighters. These are also pastel. These highlighters are also from my last video's haul video. And when you look up on the first part where the pocket mesh is, let me just turn it around so you guys can see a little bit better. So when I open it in here, I actually have my 2 erasers. So I have the little bunny. I also have this really cute dinosaur. And next, I also have these 2 Sanrio like paper clips. I thought these would come in use so that I can clip all my papers that I get. Next, I have these rulers. I actually had this ruler for like 5 years, I think. It's a really cute mini ruler. I really like this mini ruler because it fits in my backpack and everywhere nice. And this year I actually took the teddy bear stickers and I actually put them on the little gap right here, and I think it looks really cute. I have these 2 mechanical pencils. Also have these 2 erasers. Finally, in this compartment, I have a baby pink sticky note. Okay guys, so I'm going to be showing you guys the bottom compartment now. Okay guys, so in the bottom compartment, I have the rest of my school supplies in here. It's a little bit hard to keep this organized, but I tried to organize it as best as possible. So in here, I have my glue stick, my mini one. I also have my multicolored pen. I love this pen so much. It's like a cute little teddy bear pen. So there's a really cute teddy bear on here and so much different colors, and there's a cute design at the bottom. There's like boba, bears, and it's really cute. So I have my scissors, my pencil sharpener, my whiteboard marker, some pens, and except this pen, everything else is from last year. So that is basically everything that was in here. Okay, so you guys, I have the last thing to show you guys. So on the zipper part of my pencil case, I have this really cute keychain. It says fruit on the side, and it's a really cute orange. It's so cute. And it's like a squishy, but when you open it, it's just a sticky note. There's like a bunch of sticky notes in here. So this was the last item, so let's go ahead and put it in my backpack now. So the last thing we gotta do now is zip up my backpack. All done, so my backpack is all filled up now. Okay guys, so now that my backpack's all filled up now, there's nothing to do anything to my backpack anymore. So see you guys in 2 days to get ready for school. Hello you guys, today is officially the day before school, and sorry for the bad lighting. It's because the only light right now is my night light, and also in a couple of hours I have to be asleep for school. And also you guys, a couple of hours before I actually did my nails for school, so they're looking on fleek. But you guys, I'm honestly so excited but so nervous. But anyway, I just want to say goodnight to you guys, so I'll see you guys in the next morning. Good night. I want to make a cool transition, so see you all the next morning. Good morning, you guys. So today is officially the first day of school, and it's the morning. I accidentally woke up like 30 minutes earlier than my alarm, so I'm just gonna get started with my day. I'm going to start by making my bed, and you guys don't mind if I look a little ugly right now. Okay, so whenever I wake up, my face like tends to like puff up, but it like depuffs later. I'm gonna start making my bed now. Okay, you guys, bed is all made. Okay, guys, since the bed is made, I'm gonna get ready for school now. Okay you guys, so I am done washing my face and brushing my teeth, so I'm just going to go ahead and change out of my pajamas, and I'm also going to be putting on some sunscreen, and then I'll see you guys after that. Okay guys, I'm all changed now. I'm just going to put some sunscreen on. I'm using my beauty blender. It's a macaron shape. Okay guys, I just finished putting on my sunscreen, so now I'm just going to put on some lip balm. Okay you guys, I just finished putting on some lip balm, and I also put some lip gloss on the top because that's like the only makeup product I actually use because I like my lips to look extra glossy. But now I'm just going to finish up doing my hair, and I'm going to put on some jewelry. I'm going to wear silver hoops today. Alright you guys, silver hoops are on. I think I'm just going to pair it with the silver necklace. Okay you guys, now I'm going to go do my hair. Alright, so you guys, I just finished doing my hair, and now I'm just going to pack my bag, and then I'm going to get a sweater, and then I have to leave soon. By the way, you guys, I didn't show you guys my lunchbox, but this is my lunchbox. It's so cute. It's just like a beige kind of white one, and it has cute little tiny strawberries on it, and it's super duper cute. This year, I also got a bigger water bottle, and I showed you guys this in the haul, and I filled this up with water, so I'm going to put my lunch and my water bottle in my backpack. Okay, you guys, I just finished packing my bag, and it's super duper cute. My Melody's on here, of course. Also guys, I forgot to show you, but this is the fit for the day. I have like a jean top and like a beigey top, like t-shirt. Okay guys, so I just put my sweater on, and I have to go now, so bye!